Guten Tag. When we talk of ceramics, the traditional art of pottery often comes to mind. But ceramics are also the unsung heroes of space exploration. In the 1980s, NASA created the Space Shuttle, a new generation of rockets that could go into space and come back to Earth. Ceramics protected the hull of the shuttle from the harsh conditions during re-entry. This material is known and loved for its high temperature resistance and insulation properties. You too can now experiment like NASA with the Formlabs ceramic resin. To start, follow these 3 simple steps. First, design your rocket. Second, print it. Third, fire part in kiln. Thus begins the experimental stage. Blast off.